GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. It assists developers by providing code suggestions and auto-completions directly within their integrated development environment. Here's how to use GitHub Copilot. Installation. Ensure you have an IDE that supports GitHub Copilot, such as Visual Studio Code. Install extension. Search for and install the GitHub Copilot extension from the IDE's extension marketplace. Sign in. Sign into your GitHub account within the extension. Enable Copilot. Open a coding file in your IDE and GitHub Copilot will automatically start assisting as you type. Auto completions. As you write code, Copilot suggests entire lines or blocks based on context and what you've written before. Documentation. Copilot can generate documentation comments and function descriptions to help you understand and explain your code. Language support. Copilot supports various programming languages and frameworks. Code examples. It provides examples for specific tasks such as API requests, error handling, and more. Custom snippets. You can create your own code snippets and teach Copilot your coding style over time. Review suggestions. While Copilot offers helpful suggestions, it's important to review and understand the generated code before implementing it. Learning. Copilot learns from your interactions and adapts to your coding patterns. Collaboration. Copilot can be beneficial for collaboration and pair programming. Shortcuts. Learn keyboard shortcuts and commands to navigate Copilot suggestions efficiently. Feedback. Provide feedback to GitHub about Copilot suggestions to help improve its accuracy. Legal considerations. Be aware of intellectual property and licensing concerns as Copilot generates code based on various sources.